Hey guys, how are you? I know it's been forever since I've been on this channel, but I thought I wanted to get back on here and start making videos again, maybe more vintage inspired stuff, hauls, what I get when I go thrifting. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you guys definitely should, but whoever does knows that I just recently came back from London and Paris, and I got a bunch of stuff from Primark and all these other places, so I just thought I'd get on here and show you guys what I got. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with what I got at Primark, which is where I did most of my damage anyways. So they had a whole bunch of Harry Potter things and I wanted to get everything. So first thing I got was this Ravenclaw crew neck sweater. It is so comfy, so cute, and it was like the only one in my size too, because Primark only had Gryffindor and Slytherin stuff. So I'm glad I sniped this up. Also got this Ravenclaw tie. I already had one, but just because they had it, I wanted to get another one. So cute. And if I find the prices, I'll list them in the description bar or somewhere on this video. But I think this one was £1. It was like on sale. So next thing I got was this pajama set. It's just Harry Potter based, but it's blue and it's cute and it's so cool. Living in Florida, it is quite hot when I go to sleep, so top and then the bottom. Next pajama set was this Mary Poppins long button-up shirt. It is quite warm too, so I wanted something cool and I also wanted something warm. Practically perfect in every way. It's so cute and it's pink. And she's so in right now just because of the movie, but I've also loved the movie from before, so I thought this was super cute. They had a whole bunch of pajama sets on sale, so just got a whole bunch. And then I got this more of like a long john pajama. This is Alice in Wonderland, so it'll fit better from the bottom. I think this was £3 each, which is so cheap. And then the top, of course, it's a short sleeve, but it's also super cute. I love the detailing on the sleeves of the shirt. I kind of went Disney crazy with all their stuff. So the next thing I got were these sweatpants. They're Mickey, so cute. I kind of love that they were kind of Gucci inspired. You'll see what I mean with this sweater. It's just kind of like Gucci-esque, if you know what I mean. So also from Primark, I got some stockings that I never usually find here in the States, but they're just regular black stockings with the line down the back, which is what was important to me to get. And you'll see that I got some more of those later, but they're the Cuban or point toe heel, I think. So I got 2 pairs of those. I think they were £1. So last but not least from Primark, I got this super cute light pink lavenderish puffer coat. I knew I wanted something kind of like this, and I haven't been able to find any, so the fact that I saw this in my size and for £5, it was a deal. So also, if you guys been following me on Instagram for quite a while, you guys know how obsessed I am with tea. Specifically, Twinings English breakfast tea is my absolute fave, so I know going into London, I knew it was important for me to stop at the Twinings actual flagship store, so we did, and I kind of went crazy. I got so many teas. 2 of them actually went back home with my mom, but I picked up, you can't find this in the States either, I go through those 20 tea bags so quick, so I got 100 tea bag Earl Grey, which is my second best fave. I'm getting 2 of the 200 Twinings English breakfast tea box. I know I'm gonna finish these. Never find anything like this, not even in Epcot. You just get the small little box, but I love these and they taste so good, they smell so good, and I'm just gonna go through them so fast. So while being in London, super close to Paris, we took the Eurostar over for the day to Paris. I had my eye on a Gucci bag, so I knew, let me just get it while I'm in Paris. Cute Gucci Marmont mini, super mini in red, and it's so cute. I knew I wanted something red and small, because I know I have the bigger bags, but I wanted something small. A cute pop of color. It's just so cute. I can't wait to style this up, dress it down. I love it so far. You can wear it so many ways. You can do crossbody, make it smaller, wear it on the one side, or use it as kind of like a fanny pack slash belt. I'll show you guys how soon, or if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see the many ways I can style this. But I love it. So for one of the many days that we were down there, I knew I wanted to stop by the What Katie Did store in the UK. I know they only have one in the UK, or maybe two, and then kind of one pop-up in Los Angeles. So I knew I wanted to stop by, stock up on some stockings, look at maybe like their lingerie, what they had, and they had so many cute stuff. I wanted to take it all, but I ended up getting some black stockings with a black line in the back. I knew I wanted them nude, so this is what I got. I also got some in red because I want to do many holiday looks. I ended up getting both of these in the point heel, not the Cuban heel. I also got the 1940s bra in peach, and it is so cute and it's super comfortable. I didn't think it was going to be, but this is so cute on. It's very good quality. And then I also been having my eye on some long black satin gloves for dressing up, and I haven't been able to find any, but I tried them on at the store and these were so cute and they fit perfectly, fit like a glove, so I just knew I had to get them. You guys, I almost forgot. So I also did, obviously had to make an impromptu stop at Abbey Road. You guys know it's in London, so made a stopover in Abbey Road. They now have an Abbey Road studio store. So I went in there and I just thought it was perfect to buy the Abbey Road album in Abbey Road. So finally snagged this guy up. And last but not least, the last day of our day in the UK, we did obviously the Harry Potter Warner Brothers Studio Lot tour, and it was amazing, just like I remembered it. Of course, they switched it up for the better. They have tons of stuff now. They've added the Forbidden Forest, they added a cafe, I think 2 of them, and I just can't wait to see how it's gonna look 5 years from now. Just gonna keep going. But I did pick up some stuff while I was down there. So I did pick up this Ravenclaw lanyard from the Platform 9 3/4 shop. It says from London to Hogwarts, Platform 9 3/4, and I thought it was so cute for when I get my pass at Universal here. And it's just super cute, kind of like a keepsakes from the actual Warner Brothers Studio Lot in London. I also picked up the robe. I have been wanting the robe from Universal, but I ended up just getting it over there. Why not, you know, get it from actual London, Harry Potter Studio Lot. So I got the Ravenclaw. I can't wait to do so many cute looks with it. So that was it, guys, for my London/Paris haul. I hope you guys enjoyed everything I got. I know I love watching haul videos. I can watch them on repeat. So I figured I'd get on here and show you guys what I got in London and in Paris. So that was it. See you guys very soon.